So I find myself here again, about to apologize for not posting for 9 days and shit. My fault, bruh. Understand this summer out here, there's a heat wave. I've been doing shit, but in the back of my mind, I'm like, bro, I need to post. So that's what we doing here today. Make sure you go down below and leave a like on this video to get me back into the algorithm, because without y'all, this shit would not even be anything, to be honest. But let's get straight into this video. So first things first, a couple days ago I entered for the Yeezy slides in the Onyx color and the bone color, and I'm like, bro, hopefully I at least get one of these bitches. I already did have a bone color. I decided to get them in the size up, and I might decide to compare them for a video for y'all, but I didn't have the Onyx pair, and I was actually excited to try and get my hands on those because it's one of my favorite colors. I feel like for wintertime those are gonna be perfect. So I entered on confirm, whatever, right? Boom, a couple days later I'm at work and I get 2 notifications, 2 of them. I'm like, alright, I saw confirmed, I see what it is. I'm over here thinking I was gonna take L's because they already blessed me with the other bone pair last time. Bro, I saw 1 success on the bone. I'm like, alright, cool. I got those in a size 10, so there's gonna be a comparison video coming soon, stay tuned. Then I went into the other one and it said that I got the Onyx pair too, bro. So we golden. I deadass got 2 pairs of Yeezy slides. Should be on the way soon. I am gonna do that comparison video for y'all, and I'm excited to see what these Onyx pair look like on my feet. I've seen them on other feet, but I need to see on my feet. That shit gonna be fire, guaranteed. The only issue is now I got a plethora of Yeezy slides, and I don't even need this many. Like, bro, I got 2 feet and 5 pair of slides. Like, this is unnecessary. I'm gonna have to figure out something to do with them. I might flip them. I don't even know, bro. We gonna have to see. But that's the update on my most recent pickup this morning. Let me know if y'all cooked up on the Yeezy slides. So I'm gonna show y'all my last pickup from Supreme Spring Summer 2022. Low key, last season I didn't really pick up much. I've been slowing down on the Supreme. I'm on the little decline at this point. This was one of the pieces that actually stood out to me. One of the ones that I had to have. Low key, I was waiting to open this and I gave in, bro. I was trying to see what it looked like literally yesterday, and I've had this package for weeks, but it's okay. I picked up the Manhattan tee. This is one of the ones that I had to have in my collection. I just love this print that they went with. It's mad creative. Me being born in New York, this is definitely hitting home. You have that Supreme on the truck right there. You got the taxis, the subway. This is just a banger, bro. Like, everything on this shit go hard. The details on this is immaculate. If you look in close details, the little posters, windows and shit have stuff on it. The train station says Uptown Station. This is just a beautiful shirt. I'm assuming that's the artist that made this possible type shit. With this tee, it doesn't even end there, bro. You do got a back print on this one. It says Supreme Manhattan on it, and the letters are almost set out to be buildings. This is a beautiful shirt. Look at the shadow on the Manhattan. It's in blue print. That's fuck, bro. Definitely a must cop. Probably my favorite pickup from last season. I know I said that about a lot of the pieces I picked up, and that's simply because this season I wasn't really trying to go for too much that I wasn't really fucking with. So most of the pieces that I ended up getting, I loved. Makes sense. I'm gonna try this shit on. This shirt is a banger. From that week, I love this one, and then I also did like the hand style, but I took an L on that one. So here we got this one. Basically got that Supreme on it. On the back, you got that Supreme Manhattan skyscrapers. Fire. They actually did bless me with some stickers. I got this one right here with the little cat eyes or whatever. Boom. I probably wouldn't even use this shit, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but they sent it to me. They sent me this one. Literally says too many assholes, and if you look in close details, there's a lot of American flags in there. Therefore, they must be talking about them people. So yeah, boom, regular box logo sticker, and we did get the Red Grooms Manhattan sticker. I am glad that I got this one because I do collect the stickers. I have a big ass sticker collection in that toolbox right there that one day y'all may see, might not, who knows, but this was the last sticker they sent me. That pretty much does it for this one. It was a little short video. I'm gonna come out with the release date, but that pretty much does it for this video. We ended up getting 2 pairs of Yeezy slides off confirmed. Lucky as fuck, don't even know how that happened. So we're gonna have this comparison video coming soon because the sizing be crazy, bro. And I unboxed this for y'all. So let me know if y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more content. A lot of shit coming. I wanna get back active, so comment down below, post more often. For real, please, bro. With all that being said, I'ma catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.